video for lesson 13. This is a second strategy for solving this problem. We're converting the mixed number into improper fractions. So we found this number equal to thirds, so it was equal to 4/3, and now we're going to convert 3 3/4 into just fourths. So 3 wholes would be how many fourths? It would be 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4, or 12/4, but then you see we still have the 3/4. So 12/4 plus 3/4 would give us 15/4. Okay, so now multiply. 15 times 4 is 60. And 3 times 4 is 12. And now you want to put your answer in simplest form, and when you have an answer that's an improper fraction, you want to do something about that. So 60/12 is the same thing as 60 divided by 12. So what is 60 divided by 12? 60 divided by 12 is 5. So what were we doing here? We were looking at an alternate method for solving the same problem. And if your answer checks out, it's a way of checking your work too, right? You can use a different strategy to check to make sure you got the same answer. So this is the answer to our problem. What is the area of this rectangle? And the area is 5 inches squared. If we were in class, you'd be working with a partner and using different strategies to solve. But we're going to head over here to this fun little challenging problem. So you guys can read with me. It says an 8-inch by 10-inch picture is resting on a mat. 3/4 inch of the mat shows around the entire edge of the picture. Find the area of the mat covered by the picture. Okay, compare this problem to others we've worked. We're finding the area of something within the shape, not just the outside edge, not just the whole thing. What do you think we will have to do to solve this problem? Hint, it involves subtraction. So first, what we need to do is we need to look at this and figure out what the total length and width are. Because right now we only know definitively the inner part, right? Which is, I guess, the picture. So the area of the inner picture is going to be length times width. So it's 8 times 10. So we know that it's going to be 80 inches squared. But we need to know the whole thing before we can figure out what's underneath it. So we know that it's from here to here, it's 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so let's just focus on this, and we'll call it the length. What is this? Okay, this is going to be 10 inches, right? Because it's the opposite side of a rectangle is equal. So that's going to be 10 inches from here to here. And we need to know what's this part here and what's this part here. Well, it tells us it's 3/4 of an inch. So that means there's going to be 3/4 of an inch up top. And then down here, it's going to be the same, right? 3/4 of an inch at the bottom. So to find the total length, we're going to need to add 10 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. So an easy way to do that is just to add 3/4 plus 3/4. Okay, so if you're